Hello! So a few weeks back, I did what I normally do on a Tuesday afternoon. I check out T-Mobile Tuesday. Basically what it is every Tuesday, T-Mobile gives away some free stuff, a coupon, a discount, or something like that, just for being with T-Mobile. So that's how I discovered the Gadget Discovery Club. And I was like, man, this is perfect for the channel. After all, my name is Handsome Gadgets. So I'll pick it up. I got it for a discount, about 35 bucks. Normally it's around 90 bucks, and it's a quarterly subscription, which means you'll get a new box about every 3 months. So on their website it says, discover and experience epic new gadgets risk-free. GQ says, fun, exciting, and something different for tech lovers. Wired says, tech you didn't know you needed. And Tech Radar says, this Christmas feeling of a gadget surprise. So this works by joining the Gadget Discovery Club. You'll get a gadget box with up to 4 innovative gadgets worth over 100 pounds or 150 bucks retail value per box. Number 2, the exciting unboxing begins. That's what we're going to do today. Enjoy the anticipation and excitement of unboxing a brand new gadget box every 3 months. And then number 3, experience the next level. Experience a future with epic entertainment, a smarter home, and an upgraded lifestyle. Ladies and gentlemen, that's why we're here. So if you want to check out Gadget Discovery Club, I'll make sure to put links to that in the description down below. But ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls all throughout the world,
you know what time it is.
Boxy time. All right, so the grand reveal. So the first product is a Key Smart Quick Disconnect. Easily attach your items to your keychain. Twist to lock and unlock. Okay. Next up is a Nano Stylus, and they mean nano. This thing is small, but it's designed to just hook on your keys and you have it in case of an emergency. Okay, yes, I've definitely looked at these, but I haven't picked one up. But yeah, compact key holder. I don't know how many keys it'll hold. Oh, okay, it says holds up to 8 keys, but yeah, it just keeps it real nice and compact and, you know, easily accessible to access all your keys. And we'll have to zoom out for this one. And what I believe to be the last product inside the box is a Key Smart Clean Tray. I actually already have one of these, and I recorded a video, I just never put it out because it was kind of lame. But anyways, yeah, basically what it does is it sterilizes basically anything you put in it. It's a UVC technology, kills 99.9% of germs and bacteria, sterilizes in 5 minutes, safe and effective, and no chemicals or toxins. Yes. So it fits smartphones up to 7 inches, sanitizes PPE masks. That's good. Portable and lightweight. Add essential oils for aromatherapy. Nice. And yeah, so that's everything in the box. So let's go ahead and get this clean tray out. Check it out. So here we have the manual. Let's see inside this bubble wrap. Now I don't know if, because this is all branded by Key Smart, so I don't know if like every quarter it's a different brand or if it's, I don't know. But you open it up. Here we got a USB-A to micro USB.
Madness!
But there is where you put your essential oils if you want to go that route. I guess to sanitize and make your stuff smell super good. There's going to be a power on and power off button.
2 very boring minutes later.
All right, so honestly, I was trying to set everything up and, well, it didn't set up that well with my setup. So, yeah. As far as this box goes, well, I don't know. What do you guys think? You guys think maybe I should try, you know, in 3 months when I get my next box before canceling it? Because, yeah, I don't know. Like I said, I already have one of these. That looks pretty cool, but it really wasn't working with my keys. I can live without that. And then the mini stylus, well, so whatever you guys think, let me know in the comments down below. But if you want to see the current giveaway exclusively for members only, then go ahead and click or tap on the screen. But until next time, Handsome Nation, thank you and have a good one.